Boss! May butang asal ka? Hindi ba ko kanan? Hindi ko kanan?
Hello everyone, this is May De Los Santos Cocoquera. So this channel is about travel, food, and go out with kids and enjoy where we go. So welcome to my channel and I hope you like it, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you guys. Hello guys, good morning. So we are here in the beach. So this low tide now. Ada lang tungtung na ya, jara ka lingkod ti. Kasi ko tawayan. Ayaw butang igkuan.
Ligawa. Akong butangan na. Butang ka. Ano ba? Ano ulo? Friend na sila.
Init na. Init na sa.
Ha?
Init na sa.
Wala pag-agay ko sa kong baby. Gidora ka sa kong baby. Itong baby di kami nilabot. Ipatay na lang.
Ayaw pati yun.
Iwan ko sa mani stick sa ako. Mamaliko sa amin, ma.
Pugani.
Kumita maong. Ma, ayaw, ibutang sa tubig and then malihok sa imong kamot. Dad, ali, dad, dali. Salita ulit ko na. May ani, di ayaw init tayo, maliyo.
Nabugnaw ko. Na isang bugnaw. Ayaw lagi.
Oh, sige, swimming ta.
So guys, we are here in the beach. So it's really hot, but no choice. I need to look over my body. So no swimsuit for today's video, only Sahira. So now a lot of people na in that resort there. Especially today, it's really hot. The weather is really hot. And you can see my face is just was already red now. So I will introduce you my friend. This is my friend. So I play with it. I like to hold it because they're friendly. But I will not bring this one home. I will left it here. Then my head is really nag-brum brum 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 sila guys.
I'm the oldest. I'm the leader of the pack. I'm always under civic class riding on my back. I'm basically the parent. I keep everybody laugh. Basically the parent. Everybody laugh. Ikaw na po dyan.
Sana.
This is my say. This is my say. This is my say. And this is my say. Ikaw na po.
Asa tayo mag-isulti?
Ha? Tay.
Usab ko no.
I'm the youngest, the leader of the pack. I'm all the under signals just riding on my back. I'm basically the parent. I keep everybody alive. I'm basically the parent. I keep everybody alive. Sana believe na ako, di ba? Ayaw magbuhi.
Believe daw niya. Believe daw niya ko no. Uy, believe ron ako. So this is for it guys. I will add on some video. I will take swimming way because it's really hot.
That's the Facebook. Bye bye guys.
Thank you my love. So hi guys, good afternoon. So we just walk around here in Aganan Beach. So this Aganan Beach is really close to the airport. And easy to access to the people. So this side here, you need to entrance 20 pesos for the older person, 10 pesos for the what you call that, kids. So it's really good. So I will show you around. So the airport over there. Look at the kids. The kids is playing around. So nag-mix silang volleyball. Nakasakyan. Nasa dagat. So I will walk here because while I'm waiting kuya. So now the water is going up. I will walk here in the seawall. Yes. So it's kind of rocky over there, but over here, oh, I feel sorry for you, baby. It's dead. So we just walk here. What we will see in this corner. So they have a lot of what you call that. We call that one salawaki, guys. So that is yummy, yummy. So what we will find here? Ah, nice sa desya diri kuan. Resort. Payag-payag. Yeah, that is there. So you go back, that is the scenery. See? I know I have a video like this before, but sad to say, the beach, take it off. Charot. So, I don't know what he's trying to do, guys. Go faster. I get you, Puya. Go, Puya, go. More. Show me more. Show me your one. Okay. As long as you love me, who you are. Lumsan.
Ayaw ko na dyan, Bing. Masalog siya. Ako na sa cellphone di ay. Natalo.
Hala ka.
Yan niya ba? Masalog ko yung cellphone na po.
Hi guys, so thank you for watching my video and I hope you like it. And this is May de Los Santos Hokokera. So enjoy your life guys with your family, and I will say bye bye. See you.